Play video. Check the weather. Sound adjustment. Individual horn regulation. Automobile instrument display. Regulating air conditioning. Original car setup. Network settings. Connect Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. Day and night modes. Switch automatically or choose your own. Support for multiple languages. You can download the map yourself and set it as the default map. CarPlay. CarPlay map. CarPlay music. CarPlay phone.